Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Direct Design. So today we are going to learn how to do a social media poster in Adobe Photoshop. So first of all, we are going to start with creating a workspace. Alright, so I'm just going to start with creating my workspace. Just come here and create. Okay, so I'll just go with my 1080 by 1080 pixels, and you can decide to rename it. So I'll just give it a simple name, poster, or you can choose even not to name it. So we shall just continue with the resolution of 300, and I'll choose transparent background, but if you don't like, you can choose any of these. So I'll just go with a transparent background. Okay, so when you're done, you just come and create. All right, so as you can see, we have our transparent background. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to import my image. All right, I'll just click and drag. Okay, so let me first take this side. Okay, I'll just pick and drag in my Photoshop. So this is my image I have. So I'll just come on edit, and I want to scale it, flip it horizontally here. So this is how I want it to be, and I'll just come and click OK or enter. Just click enter. Okay, so here we have our background. Okay, so we shall say now we have this. This is done. So what next? My next part, I will just import my model, which will be this one, and I'll just drag and adjust its size. I don't want him to be so much big, to your desired area. Okay, so this is what I want, and we shall be good to go. So when you're done, don't forget, just click OK or click enter. So here we have our model. So I'll just come add color balance, okay, on him. So don't forget to click on this. So if you click on this, it will mean that all the effects, it will just affect your model. So I just want to balance the background and the color background with the image that I've imported. Okay, I'll just adjust some little. Okay, so when you're done, just click OK. So I'm going to select the both, and I right click, so I link the layers together such that wherever you move them, they will be okay. So the next part, I will come on filter and camera raw filter. Okay, I want to adjust the image sharpness and color. Okay, so I'll just come on adjust on contrast. I'll just increase a little, then come on highlights, and I'll just a little of it blacks I want. So I'll just come and increase the texture, make it more, then clarity. So you can increase and check. Okay, so what else should I increase on? Contrast is okay, highlights, and okay, let's check on details. Just increase on the sharpness. Okay, I think this is enough. So just come and click OK. right? So you can see the changes. So what we're going to do next, we are going to come and click here and add color solid. Okay, so now here we want to make our colors balance. Okay, so you will be seeing the effect. So when you're done, click OK, then come check on blending options. No, sorry, just come and put this on color dodge. Okay, then you come and click on blending options and click out, adjust on your blending options. Okay, until you feel that it's okay. So I'm going to leave my blending here, then I'll click OK. So you can see. So what we're going to do next, come and click here on the mask area and click Ctrl I to invert. Alright, so come and select your brush tool and click X to change this layer to white, or you can also click here to change to invert. So what we're going to do, zoom in and zoom in. Okay, I'm going to reduce my brush to this. Come and make your flow 100 and continue zooming in. Okay, so making my flow to 100, I'm going to click here, start brushing. Okay, brushing. Okay, continue zooming in, then I'll reduce my brush. Okay, like this. So now when I'm done with now I'm going to reduce my flow to 23. Okay, I mean 17, then I increase my brush, then I'll start brushing. Okay, start brush gently. Okay, just want to balance this to give it more clarity and realistic. Alright, so just come, click. So here I'm going to reduce my brush. Okay, Ctrl Z to go back. I'm going to reduce my brush. Okay, want to make our image to be more realistic. Alright, such that we don't want anything like the image is far different from the background, so we just want to give it more clarity. Alright, so continue brushing. Alright, I'm going to make my float one. Come on my ear. Okay, add this. So I'm going to increase my flow to this and click here also. Okay, because the light also hits these areas. So we can't just leave it like that, yet the light hits the areas. Okay, so I'll just go on create new layer, Ctrl Shift N, then I'll click, bring it on top. Okay, so I'll just click my text business. Okay, so I'll just give it this color, then I'll be okay. So what I'm going to do, Control T to adjust the text. Okay, but this color is not okay with me. I'm not okay with this color, sorry. So I think I will choose I think let's go with this. Okay, so when we're done, I'm going to bring it below our model image. Okay, so I'm going to make copies of this. Okay, you can press Ctrl J or Alt to take you to make copies. All right, yep. So just click on all of them and put them in straight line. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I want to reduce the opacity for these three. Reduce the opacity because I don't want them to be so much visible. So let's go with this opacity, and I'm going to right click and make them smart objects. Okay, so let me adjust this a little. Okay, let it be here. And I'm going to create another text, and I will say the business forum. Okay, I'll just reduce the thickness to this. And I'll give it here. Then I'll just change the color to which color should I give it? I think I will get just no, white doesn't work. I'll just give it a let me give it a black color. Alright, let me give it that color. So and I'm going to change its color to this color. Okay, and click OK. Change color to this. Okay, so text Ctrl T. Okay, Ctrl T to select and reduce. Okay, reduce size. So you can choose where to put it. You can put it here. Alright, and click OK or enter. So you can choose to either send it down or up. Alright, and we're good to go. So what next? I'm going to create my next layer. Ctrl Shift N, and this is going to be for masking. Okay, so just come and click your brush tool, remove your caps lock and increase your brush. Make sure the color of the brush is black, right? And reduce the flow to 50. Okay, so just come and click. Okay, this is not the fly one. Let me increase the flow to 100. Okay, so come and click gently like this. Okay, so I just want a little bit of this, and come and take it down. Okay, and this is not what I want. Okay, okay, come with your brush tool. Okay, come click like this and like this. Okay, we just want to fade out this. Want it to fade out. Okay, let's fade it out. Okay, I think this is, with this I'm okay with it. So what next? I'm just going to import I have my QR code remaining. Okay, let's come and click and drag. So imported, just reduce its size and just drag it here, sorry, and click enter. So now we have it. So when you're done, you can come and make this a smart object. Okay, you can select them all and make them smart objects, but before making them, just make sure that you're okay with your work. Okay, and come after making them smart objects, come on your filter, camera raw filter, and start making it, giving it more clarity. You can adjust your contrast, but I won't. Come on, adjust your texture, make it more. Okay, clarity, no, I won't adjust a lot. Okay, clarity. Okay, so what else should we touch on? Come on, check your detail. Come on, adjust the sharpness. Okay, I think this will be okay. Let's go back on. Okay, what should we adjust? Highlights. I think this highlights okay. Blacks. Okay, so let's check and see before and after. Okay, I think this is okay. So with that, you can click OK and you're good to go with your design. So guys, thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and let's meet in my next video.